Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be seeing that how to create the 150-year Mumbai YMCA logo. So we come here and this is how the Mumbai YMCA logo looks. Okay, so and with Bombay written on top, and this is in blue color. So it was developed in 1897 and till today that logo is being used. Okay, these are other options of logos which are not of any concern to us right now because this is what we basically have to be working on. And here we are with our letterhead. Okay, so there is this space down here and then they have the name of what kind of letterhead, the address over here, and then we have this space here. So I do not know exactly, that it's not been disclosed to us that what is the exact letterhead type and what is the design and things like that. So we are going to be sticking to uh, this layout. Okay, assuming that this is a model layout, and that's what we'll be working with, taking this into consideration that the logo is either on the extreme left or the extreme right. Okay, uh, yeah, depending extreme right depending on this. So we stick to that kind of a layout and we'll work ahead with it. Okay, so this is the Bombay YMCA logo. I have downloaded it from this one. This is the Seek logo. From Seek logo you can download this logo over here. Okay, whichever you want. So what I did is that I went to Seek logo, downloaded this, so I got my two colors that they are using, and all I did is just type YMCA Mumbai. Okay, YMCA Bombay. Once you type that, this is what you get, and you know that okay, how is Bombay placed and things like that, and that's how I worked around this. Okay, now let's not waste time on this. Let's get creating. So we have to create this logo. We leave it here. Okay, let's create the letterhead directly. Okay, so Young Men's Christian Association, and then Bombay, India. Okay, so this is what they have over here in this corner. Now this logo is a little too big. We make it small so that let's make it 40, and then this text. So this text we'll align, right align, keep it here, make it small again, keep it the same blue color and E. Okay, so we now again these two also group them and take your page border. So we have a position properly in place. Okay, that where this is there, and then your the address is there. Let's make this also 12 point. Yeah, 12 point is good. So let's ungroup these two. Okay, left align it to our logo again left. Okay, and now this is the basic so this is where the address is, or so this is our lorem ipsum. Okay, our 3-4 lines of the address, and then a space and a phone number. Okay, whatever that is there here. So this is our basic layout for the letterhead, assuming that this is how the letterhead looks. Okay, now we are going to create a 150-year logo in this corner. So now what we are going to be doing here is we'll try and create 2-3 options. This is our frozen letterhead. Okay, let's create a 150-year options. So let's type 150 and we take this 22203 font. Okay, this is our first choice of font. Keep it here. Control D, duplicate this, and the second logo we will be making with alternate Gothic. Okay, now both these logos are going to be very, very different from each other. The whole styling, the whole output is going to be very, very different. Okay, so we work with this again, copy, paste this and leave it there. Okay, now what we do, we come into object, break 150 apart. Now we are going to be following everything from our YMCA logo. So let's take this one up here, and we'll be following everything from our YMCA logo. Now what do I mean by following everything from the YMCA logo? We'll be following the angles. So let's come here, take it this way, and that's it. Okay, so this is what we get. Now this I will do CE. Okay, So this is how I want this one to cut. Copy paste, CE, copy paste, C. Okay, so now we are going to take this and trim our each text. There's no use. Trim, and then this one also we trim. Okay, so all these are done. Okay, now just take all these trimmed ones and this is how they will look. Okay, I had we can move this away. Now let's adjust this so that it looks fine. I mean, this is just a random font which are taken, and therefore this gap should be the same, so that it looks, because the 0 looks like it's really gone too far. Okay, so let's take this gap, keep it here, and now take a 0 and push it in. Got it? Yeah. So is this clear? Now what you do is separate all of them, break it apart. Okay, so break apart, again break apart. Now this and this you weld, only these two weld, and this we weld. Now again let's stick, as we stuck to our angles, to keep this thing specially created only for our YMCA thing, we are going to work even with our colors. So let's say this part, so we take the red, let's ungroup our logo. Okay, the red is 100% magenta red, so it's basic red. Okay, let this be red, let this be red, and this be red. So this is going to be our blue. If it is blue in your logo, very good, let it be blue. If it is black, black is already there, so we'll work with blue. Okay, so this is our 150 logo, but now we want to stylize it a little. So the best thing that we can do is now see what angle you're getting when you do this. Okay, let's say this is my point, and when I put it to this node, what angle am I getting? I'm getting an angle of 30 degrees. So this is 330. Okay, 360 minus 330 is 30 degrees. So we know our angle is 30 degrees, that is required from here to keep this in synergy. Okay, so now we come here, double click on this. Now the best thing is that you'll have to do only one, the remaining will happen on their own. Okay, go on to your gradient fill, you'll get a solid gradient fill, that's fine. Okay, we come here, click here, again take red, so you'll get RGB, we want CMYK 100, 100. Okay, and let this be 80. So on 80% black we are starting, but now as you see my friends, this is also becoming very dark. Okay, so to remove that darkness at 50%, perfectly at 50% now, you keep another level. Okay, and make this 0. So what happens is that you're having more of red. Now this is yet not following a line, this is coming in straight, this is at an angle. We give it a rotation of minus 30 degrees. So our dark area comes down here. Okay, and say okay, this has to be reversed, because you will have black here, normal blue here, and black here, so this has to reverse. So this will be 80. Okay, and this will be 0. And if you see that this is not working very well for us, so what we do is that instead of keeping this plain red, we give this a 60% black. Okay, fine. So okay, again this is coming too dark, so we'll keep this and select this one and make it 0 and see, yeah, this is good. Okay, so this is how we work on this. Got it? This also, if you think is a little too solid, we reduce the black. Okay, let's try and reduce the black, make it 20%. Yeah, this is good, fine, and say okay. So this is our red. Same way we have to work with the blue also. This is our gradient. Now my friends, if we see here, I have downloaded this vector from vectz. Okay, this is the AI file, and now I'm going to take this and put this banners here. Let's see which one we can really use so that it works fine for us. Ungroup, take this, group it, and put it here. Okay, the other banners we can just select, make them small in case we need them for further use. This is the size we will really require them, so just leave them here. and say Control S so that we are not losing any data. Save your work. Okay, now this banner we make it to this size. Come here. Bit, yeah. Okay, now zoom in and align it. Otherwise, hey, how about this one? This is a good banner. Okay, let's try this. Let's keep this one here, back here. Yeah, this is a good banner. Yeah, this is great. Okay, now the benefit of using this banner against the old one is that this one, see, it allows you to curve right into your 150. Okay, the design is such, it allows you to curve right into your 150. So, you know, you can actually push this up here and superb. Great. Okay, okay, we just increase this slightly, very slightly. Yeah, and move it this way. Okay, so your 150 is also seen. And why have we taken this? Because we are going to put our word anniversary here, ANNI. Okay, so we're going to put our word anniversary here, make it bold, and we will curve it around this part, this here. Make this 17 point first. This is what we want. And just zoom in here. Take our freehand tool F5, and just run around this line. Okay, roughly just run around this line. Okay, this is perfect. This is very well aligned and working in our favor too. Okay, push this one also further. Let's see what we get. Okay, our center is the most important. Okay, if we get the center right, everything will work in our favor. So let's put a center also. Yes, and then we move this. Yeah, now it's more in control. Yes, this is our line. Okay, now you come here, take your word anniversary, again text, fit text to part, and you align it on a line. You see that? Okay, now once it's aligned on the line, now you push it however you want. Okay, and go up. Yes, this is how it is. Now let's see how our logo looks. Now you can leave it this way. Now once you delete this line, see, just select this line and delete it. Your text will stay there. Okay, but this is on those bases that you don't want to move your text at all. Now if you feel that this is, you know, this gap is a little less, this is a lot, so you will have to move it. So you don't have an option. Push it here. Yes, this is in the center. Okay, now take the line and delete it. So this is frozen. Okay, it is yet a font, but it's frozen. And then you make it white. So this looks nice and rich. Okay, so this is our logo number 1. We are sticking to the simplicity of this logo. Okay, how simple the YMCA logo is, we are making this also that simple only. So this could be in line with both of them. So you get this slight grid type formation, and logo number 1 is done. So now we have put this logo down. Okay, now let's see what more we can do. We see this, that okay, there is a problem with this N over here. So just select this N, or moreover yeah, this N, and rotate it slightly. Okay, so we take the N and let's see which direction is rotating. 345. We can't come to know anything. Let's say 350. Okay, better. Okay, and now what we do, we take it down slightly. Okay, and yeah, and then we let's rotate it a little more. 360. No, too much. 355. Yeah, this is better, and push it down slightly. Yes, this is better. We rotate the A also a little bit so that it looks in flow. Okay, it should not look like something else is only happening all the way. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, it looks fine. Cool. So this is one. And now you know, I'd worked on something, these ribbons. So we take these ribbons and now we put them here. So these are ribbons which I had made, you know, quite a long time back, and They have stayed with me. I've used them in different projects. Let's see how these ribbons look here. Okay, they look good. Yes. Okay, and we could just push this one a little higher. Great. Yeah, and so this is one, and let's do one thing. 150 anniversary. 150 looks a little alone, so we say 150th th. Okay, and now we use our font Banff normal, and we just put this here, and obviously then we push this one higher. Okay, and take this here and make it blue again. So 150th. Increase the size a little bit if need be. Okay, let shift page up. So let the banner come on, I mean the ribbon come on top of it, and just let's to add a little bit of drama into this. Let's come here, star 5 point, and we put some stars here. Okay, we select some stars, come here, put one star here, put another star here. Okay, sorry, copy paste, put another star here. Okay, so this is just giving a little added fun to the whole thing. Okay, and therefore this is our logo with sync to 150th logo, with sync to our YMCA logo with red and blue as their main colors. Okay, if you really like this logo, please, I would appreciate if you practice it all by yourself, and stay tuned, because after another 2 days we shall be seeing how to create the second, and then after another 4 days we should be seeing how to create the third logo for the 150th anniversary. Yeah, so please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.